There are 3 million end-stage renal disease patients worldwide, with over 500,000 in the U.S. and a majority requiring dialysis to survive.
We are Team Dialysis.
We are here to share our story about our journey through the customer discovery process. Our initial plan was to improve vascular access for hemodialysis patients. We got out of the building to learn more.
While it is true that 90% of U.S. dialysis patients are on hemodialysis, that's not the case with many other countries, as most of them are on peritoneal dialysis. Peritoneal dialysis patients tend to be healthier and have a better quality of life.
We were intrigued by this and set out to discover why, despite these advantages, the population of PD in the U.S. is so low.
It's really a multitude of reasons. The cultural aspects and economics around dialysis in the United States has previously favored hemodialysis, and education and social support for PD is somewhat lacking. Also, PD technology hasn't changed much in recent years and has its own unique challenges.
From a technological standpoint, what improvement would have significant impact on increasing PD population?
Well, about 30% of PD patients switch over to hemodialysis each year, and about half of those PD dropouts are due to infection. Some of them even die from infection-related complications. Most of these infections are due to touch contamination and non-sterile techniques by the patient.
Given this information, we brainstormed ideas and explored different technological solutions in an attempt to reduce PD-related infections.
We looked into many possible solutions for addressing PD-related infections, and through research and other interviews have focused on early detection, changing the exit site, or potentially improve the sterilization at the connections. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, I think early detection could certainly be useful, but I think prevention would have a bigger impact. In terms of the exit site, I think the patient would like having the catheter exit site at the skin and not having to deal with an external catheter. But I'm not sure that would necessarily reduce infection, and that would require a large overhaul in PD technology. I think ensuring that that connection point is sterilized every time might be a worthwhile solution.
Moving forward, we will focus on improving the sterilization at connections by eliminating the effects of touch contamination while ensuring the use of non-toxic materials and that the technology is effective for all PD connections. Finally, we would like to thank everyone that took the time to help us throughout our customer discovery journey.